some bones.
Go for a walk and just look around on the ground what it is that you can find.
Watch out for goose poop. You'll need to gather 7 similar sized sticks
And 2 similar size objects. These will become your bones. They have to be similar size so later you can hide them in your palms like this. Those look good. Ooh, yeah, I can paint the rocks.
Step 2, paint your bones and mark your power stick. You'll need paint and a carving tool.
Rule number 1, don't cut yourself with a knife.
This is not a toy, folks. Make sure you have supervision when you are carving your stick.
I'm just gonna use the top of this as a paint palette. You can use if you have like a plate or anything like that, that'd be good too. While Darylina whittles her stick, I am going to be painting the bone, one with a stripe and one without a stripe. Cool, I love it.
Here I finished whittling my stick, and now I'm ready to paint my bones.
That was my first one that I made. Now I'm gonna make it.
Quick little snack break.
So this one has spatters in the middle.
So when you're all finished, you should have 6 plain sticks, 1 power stick, and 2 bones each. One with a stripe and one without a stripe.